You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly the three forms of the verb to bite. This is an irregular verb. If you want to learn more pronunciations of irregular verbs in English, stay tuned. I've got many more for you at the end of this video. So the verb itself is to bite. Bite. The past participle, the past tense is bit, spelling B-I-T, as in the dog bit, the cat bit. Then the third form, which is the past participle of bite, is bitten. B, a short E sound, ten. Bitten. The Americans may say it as bitten, bitten or bitten. So, bite, bit, bitten. Bite, bit, bitten. Repeat these several times and you'll remember it. Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Bit, bite, bit, bitten. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.